Car polish is an abrasive compound designed to remove shallow scratches and add a pleasing shine. The best polishing kit for car is relatively inexpensive and easy to apply. However, there's no single best polish for every person and every car. The perfect choice depends on your shine preferences and the time you're willing to spend detailing. So in this video we will discuss 5 best polishing kit for cars. Don't worry, you will not face any hassle to find the product links. I will include the product links in the description. Number 1. Chemical Guise Polisher Kit. The best method to apply car polish is using a random, orbital, or dual-action polisher. If you don't already have such a polisher, you'll want to buy one. The Chemical Guise Polisher Kit includes everything you need to get a professional quality buff and shine. Unlike the other best car polishes on this list, this kit includes 4 products to apply to your car in a certain order: V32, V34, V36, and V38. While this means more effort than a single polymer formula, the results are a little better. If you don't mind spending more time car detailing, this kit will produce excellent results. The instructions are very easy to follow, and because this kit includes a polisher, the instructions provide detailed steps, including the speed at which to set the polisher. Number 2. DEWALT Buffer/Polisher Kit. The DEWALT DWP849X is built for longevity and durability. The maximum speed of its powerful 12-amp motor can be electronically adjusted from a gentle start 600 to a powerful 3,500 RPM via an easy-to-use speed dial, which makes it an excellent choice for both experts and beginners. From there, the speed is easily controlled by a trigger while you're buffing, much like a kitchen mixer. This DEWALT buffer is also designed for efficiency, smooth operation, and easy servicing. The purchase includes the polisher, a 3-position bail handle, and straight side handles. Users have reported that it's difficult to find differently sized adapters, so you might be stuck with its 7-inch backing plate and 7-inch pads. That limits how much you can buff at once, but not too badly. Pros: variable speeds from 600 to 3,500 RPM. Durable and well made. Comes with multiple handles. Cons: heavier than some rivals, and more physically demanding to use. Finding different backing plates isn't easy. Expensive. Number 3. Black & Decker Random Orbit Polisher. If you're looking for an inexpensive entry-level polisher that's good for more than one task, the Black & Decker WP900 offers real flexibility. It isn't just for waxing, it handles light polishing jobs too. Easy to use and highly rated for its quiet operation, this WP900 is half the size of most buffing and polishing machines and weighs just under 5 pounds. The 2-handle style grip reduces hand fatigue, and its 10-foot cord allows for easy maneuverability. Unlike the variable speed buffers, the Black & Decker runs at a consistent 4,400 orbits per minute, which might not be ideal for a newbie, as at that speed you can damage paint if you aren't careful. Due to its speed restrictions, this buffer is best used only for light polishing. Some users reported that it didn't entirely remove deeper imperfections. Pros: easy to use. Lightweight. Low price. Cons: speed is not adjustable, it's 4,400 RPM or nothing. Not suited to deeper scratches. The pads included with the buffer are cheap and low quality. Number 4. Avid Power AEP 127 Polisher Kit. The Avid Power Car Buffer is meant for beginners. It has a rubber body so that it doesn't slip in your hands, and it comes with detailed instructions to help you determine which of the 6 speeds to use for the imperfection you're trying to buff out. This car buffer also comes with all of the tools you need for application, including a foam disc, detachable handle, spanner, hex wrench, and foam pads. The Avid Power AEP 127 polisher ships with a number of different accessories and buffing pads, making it a great choice for those new to buffing out scratches on their car. Cost: $80. Weight: 6.8 pounds. Speed range: 1,500 to 6,800 RPM. Dual action. 5.0 amp motor. 120.0 volts. 6-speed control dial. Rubberized body for no-slip control. 6-month warranty. Pros includes many accessories. Beginner friendly. Low cost. Cons low power motor. Number 5. Porter Cable 7424XP Variable Polisher Kit. Porter Cable is a well-respected brand when it comes to some excellent budget tools. The company's 7424XP car polisher isn't an anomaly in that respect. We really enjoyed the buffing tool's compact size and optional, attachable handle for this price point from a design standpoint. The company's standard foam pad does an okay job with the product, but we recommend purchasing your own backing plate so you can swap whatever polishing pad or buffing pad you'd like onto the unit. The tool does not come with another backing plate for this price. However, the 7424XP does its job well when it comes to working in product and taking care of a car's paintwork. The downside? It's pretty loud and transfers more vibrations to your hands than our other dual-action polisher picks. Nevertheless, if you want an affordable car buffer from a company with a solid tool, Porter Cable is just the ticket. Pros made waxing the fifth wheel much easier. Lightweight. Worked great. Cons polisher only. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.